Give a shout out to my Patreons. I mean, these guys have been supporting me for years now, especially a man named Jason. But Jason and Stefan and Joe, you guys, thank you. You guys have been such a great support for my channel. So I don't know. I really appreciate it. I had this company contact me. It's called Lossew. L-O-S-S-E-W. I've looked them up. You can look them up online too, but I'll try to connect a link. I have a hard time connecting links. For some reason, I put it on there and I link it, but it won't let you just click on the link for some reason in the description, but I'll try to do that. But they sent me this, it's a painter's light, okay, is what it is. The light only comes up to one side, but the problem with it is it had the, okay, and then they had this outlet on it, right? And that doesn't work here, so I had to get an adapter because this is the outlet that I need. So that's the outlet that I need. But I plugged that in. Now, I've often said the best light for finishing drywall and painting and everything else is sunlight. You look at this wall here, and it does not look bad. It's got one coat on it. It's got a little bit of roughness to it, but it can be sanded down. It could be repainted, and it doesn't look bad until now. You look at it with this, and it looks like it's a hair monster. This light is just incredible. You can sit there and shine it on this entire wall. It's so directional. I mean, it is just so directional. But, you know, believe it or not, I've got a belly band in here. It's a 2-foot belly band. You cannot see that, but you can still see the fuzz. You can see fuzz all over this wall. But, oh my gosh, I thought sunlight was the best light you could have. Not anymore. This light is blowing my mind. I showed it to a couple of people, and they're like, oh, where do I get it? Where do I get it? If you're not in the United States, you don't have to buy the adapter. But if you're in the United States, you're going to have to buy this adapter. But I'm going to put a link to this thing too. I like this light. I just don't want people to shine it on my wall. I'm glad I have the light. Other people don't. The builders and stuff that I'm working for, because I don't want it shining on my wall. But if the painter starts complaining about the drywall finishing job, guess what I'm going to bring in? I'm going to bring in this to show him how bad his painting is. You guys have a good day. Hey, if you really like the videos, subscribe. And if you really, really like the videos, please just share them with somebody else. All right? You guys have a great day.